hindi namin kayo binibigyan ngayon ng religious lesson. Ang binibigay namin ay si Jesus. Alam niyo ba kahit sa dami ng reliyon, bakit si Jesus ang napili namin? Now, I'm not against Buddha. Nakabasa ko ng mga books niya. May marami ring magandang lesson. I'm not against Allah. I think he's a good man. He's a decent man. I'm not against Confucius. Basahin niyo marami ring mga wisdom na matutunan sa kanya. But itong lahat ng mga big religious group na ito, lahat ay sinasabi lang nila, I will show you the way. I will show you the truth. I will show you the life. But here comes Jesus. John 14:6, si Jesus lang ang pinaka-nag-claim, I am the way, I am the truth, I am the life. Religion can improve your life. Religion can enhance your life. But only Jesus can give you eternal life.